Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and connections because most failures are simple. Plug the monitor into a known good outlet, confirm the power LED is on, and press the monitor's input or source button to select HDMI or display port. Once done, inspect both ends of the cable for bent pins or loose screws, and if available, try a different certified cable. Make sure the graphics card port is unobstructed, and any power adapters for the monitor are firmly attached. Now you expand into component-level checks to isolate the fault. Power off your system and reseat the GPU and any internal display cables, because thermal cycles and vibration loosen connections. Boot with a known working laptop or alternate PC to confirm the monitor itself displays an image. If using adapters, swap to an active adapter for DisplayPort to older DVI/HDMI. Passive adapters fail in many setups. Once you confirm which device or connection fails, finish by addressing software and last resort hardware swaps so the problem is resolved. Boot into safe mode or use another working GPU to update drivers and reset Windows or OS display settings to a basic resolution, then restart normally. Perform the monitor's factory reset from its on-screen menu and test at standard resolutions like 1920x 1080. If the screen remains blank, swap the monitor with a confirmed working unit. If that displays, replace the suspect monitor or cable. Troubleshooting tip: intermittent backlight means panel or inverter failure. Seek repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.